The new KX042-4 is a 4.2T compact excavator with the latest Generation 3-cylinder KUBOTA diesel engine, delivering low fuel consumption and is environmentally friendly, with a net engine output of 29 kilowatts, 39.4 PS. The new external design of the KX042-4 is both modern and practical, consisting of new easy-opening bonnets and a completely redesigned cabin offering excellent all-around visibility. Easier access to the operating position is achieved via a large door. The spacious cabin with full suspension seat and adjustable wrist rests offer an excellent operator experience. The large expanse of flat glass and the narrow cabin posts offer excellent 360-degree visibility. Both side windows can be easily opened for better ventilation. All switches are conveniently positioned to the right of the operator. The heater has a 3-speed motor and inner recirculation for rapid defrosting and demisting. A cabin with air conditioning is also available. All hydraulic functions are controlled via a pilot system. This allows smooth machine operation. The well-balanced hydraulic performance for simultaneous operation of front attachments, swivel and aux provides you with excellent fine control and exceptional efficiency. The auto shift system enables automatic travel shift from high to low depending on traction effort and terrain. This gives smoother simultaneous operations when dozing and turning. KUBOTA's auto-idling system reduces noise and exhaust emissions, in addition to saving energy and running costs. You don't need to adjust the dozer height to make a clean ground surface after backfilling. Just travel backward along the covered ditch with the dozer in the float position. Simple. The large diameter fuel tank filling point, along with a buzzer which indicates when the tank is full. These features aid in the prevention of spillage. KUBOTA's common rail systems controls the combustion in combination with the exhaust recirculation and the diesel particulate filter. The filter is cleaned automatically during machine operation. It's not necessary for the driver to interrupt his work pattern or take any action. For tough digging applications, you can select Power Mode. When Eco Mode is required, you can save up to 20% in fuel. With the safety lever and left-hand control pod down, in this position, for safety reasons, the engine will not be allowed to start. Whilst the safety lever and the left side pod is raised, all hydraulic functions are neutralized, eliminating accidental operation of any functions. The KX042-4 has conveniently placed tie-down points on the undercarriage and a further 2 optional tie-down points for the counterweight. The daily service checks of the KX042-4 are easy thanks to the large opening of rear and side bonnets for all important components. The new KUBOTA KX042-4 mini excavator is powerful, comfortable, versatile, and environment friendly, and makes this the ideal machine for a wide variety of projects.